guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. And I have Hira Tareen in the studio with me. She's a DJ, she's a model, she's an actress. What is that this woman cannot do? I cannot wait to get to know her better. So we're going to be finding out 10 things that you guys did not know about Hira Tareen. Before we get started, you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Plate family. And let's welcome on Hira Tareen.
Hey!
Hi!
It's so good to be here.
I'm so happy finally. Like I like a bit like COVID mein kuch betri aayi and we can
totally
sit together and have a conversation.
Absolutely.
You're a woman of many talents and many feats and many hobbies.
Or confused.
But before we even get to your confusion part, as a child, you used to turn your feet around.
Oh God, we're gonna go right into it. I'm wearing heels. But yes, when I was a child, I used to have these little theatrics that I used to do when guests used to come over. I guess I was like starving for attention, or I was an attention seeker or something, because they used to just be sitting. I don't know why. Why would I do that? Like, so I used to come out randomly while my mom and dad and the guests were talking, and just like this, they were having chai or something, and all of a sudden, randomly, they see like this child who's standing at the corner, and I used to put all my hair in the front, and I used to turn my feet backwards, and then all of a sudden I'd reveal my face, and everyone used to freak out, and I used to love that. I used to love that.
I think I went into a little bit of a shock while you were saying that, because I was just imagining you as a child, like cousin it, like, yaad hai pichhal peri kehte the bachpan mein.
Exactly. And then the funny thing is that I wasn't into like the dark horror stuff or anything. It was just a thrill of seeing people like amazed and like shocked that what is she doing and how can she. I can't do both now, but I can kind of do one. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, so.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, so I used to be able to do both.
Can we somehow get this on camera? That is insane.
Yeah, so.
I have never.
It's not completely backwards now.
It is.
I think my flexibility.
One second, let me see if I can.
Should I come there?
I can't do it. 1 second. Damn, dude, I can't do it. Like, मेरी तो कोई टांग मुड़ गई, तो body मुड़ गई है.
तो ये नहीं कर सकती.
Oh my God.
Yes, I was weird as a child. Talented but weird.
That is some legit talent. Like, you know, when guys, I asked her, like, you know, oh, tell me interesting things about yourself. She told me this, and I was like, acha, you know, like, thoda side pe chala jayega. This is like.
Yeah. So that was one of my talents. That's one thing you didn't know about.
One thing, yeah. I mean, brilliant. I think this is going to make headlines.
No, really? Oh my gosh, I'm making headlines for the wrong.
Acha, so you enjoy creating content.
I do.
How's your YouTube channel coming along?
It's bichara being ignored ever since my Insta content started doing well. I feel like my YouTube has been like suffering because I'm the kind of person that I like to do, like earlier you were mentioning you like to do your makeup yourself.
Yeah, because I was going to ask you.
Yeah, I can totally relate to that. Like I'm the kind of person that I like to have creative control. So it's not just creating content, I just like creating. It could be anything.
Achha, so do you like creating like makeup content more or your cooking videos? I've seen some of your cooking videos with your mom and like your kids and like.
I think I equally like both. But because makeup is something that's so easy to do, I already have so much of it, and it's just something that I don't have to do a lot of production work for. So because it's been the easiest to do for me, I feel like I've done more of it. And plus, like I mentioned to you, that I've been into like faces ever since I was a child, like, you know, observing features and things like that. So I've naturally always been into the art of makeup. So I think that's why I enjoy the makeup tutorials a lot. I feel like it's like an art kind of a thing.
What's your clothing, Icon Clothing? It's coming back.
It is coming back. It's been in a process of rebranding, just a lot of introspection. And I think COVID has been a good time for all of us to really, you know, take a seat back and just really think about, you know, and get to know yourself better. So I think Icon is something that I initially did because instinctively I knew what was kind of missing from the market, and I just kind of did it, right? And that's also a good thing when you just kind of dive into something without being too much of a perfectionist, and you know, it went really well. But Icon ke baad hua ye, because it was like a small little cult favorite brand that started to get a lot of like, you know, following, a lot of people were interested in it, a lot of celebrities started wearing it.
Another interesting thing about Hira that a lot of people don't know is that she's a techie.
Yeah.
and you have a computer science major.
I started out as a computer science major.
So tell me about that.
Yeah, it was interesting.
I mean, एक बंदा क्या कुछ कर सकता है?
It's like a whole thing. Like, and for a long time, I thought these are all like really like fragmented pieces of my personality that don't go together. But now today, alhamdulillah, like I realize that all of it is like a missing, like they're all pieces of a puzzle, right? And they all come together and they make me who I am, because I feel like if I didn't have that techie knowledge, I didn't know what it was for. I was confused. I was like, okay, computer science sounds great and everything, but midway I changed my major to advertising and like communications and marketing and all of that. But now having that technical knowledge and having designed apps for like, you know, Silicon Valley companies and things like that, I was working for a like, you know,
I mean like,
yeah.
कहाँ पे DJ, कहाँ पे Silicon Valley, like. Another fun fact about Hira Tareen is that she is very passionate about sketching.
Yeah, that's another passion that I'm rusty in now. But oh, really, Momina? You're just gonna test me on everything.
Of course. Like I mean, you know, when I'm old and grey, and you're
never lie to Momina about what you do, because she's gonna test it. So you know, whoever's gonna come on the show next, don't lie to her.
Don't lie to me.
And she gave me a marker.
Yeah. I
don't make characters, I make sketches. And they're with pencils, guys. Okay, now because you've given me a marker,
you can make
I
a character.
have no choice but to make a character, like a very minimal kind of a...
Yeah, do it.
Wow. Please don't be offended.
I'm not going to be offended.
Because, I mean, this takes a long time. So we only have like 2
minutes.
Yeah,
that's what people say.
Gosh, no, it does take a long time. I mean, I'm used to making every
Next
brow
one
strand.
चलेगा कि New York City के अंदर Times Square पे हिरा बैठी है, इसके caricatures बना रही है. That's all I can say.
Okay, guys, this is the max I can do in this time. Okay.
Should I signature there?
Oh, see that? This is my signature. Don't ever try to forge it. I will come after you. Here you go.
You know, actually, like, that's pretty solid, guys. Let me take it a little closer so that we can get a close-up of this. Thank you very much. I will keep this and I will frame this.
Oh, really? No, let me make you another one, then you can frame it. But yeah, okay. It's a memory.
It's a memory. It'll be a fun thing for me to like. Next thing about Hira Tareen. अच्छा जी. सुना है bongo पे जाती हैं और drum तबले बजाने का बहुत शौक है.
No idea what you're talking about.
You don't? मुझे तो पता है बजाती हैं.
Really?
हाँ.
Bongo?
हाँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
I can try.
Bongos are here.
Where did you pull those out from?
Plus, I have sources.
Yeah?
I have people.
You're prepared, man. You're prepared to embarrass me. Okay, first I have to warm up a little bit. Let's see. Hold on. So I have to figure out which beat. A little bit, a little something.
Freaking epic. Like, that's what I'm going to say. That was good.
Yeah?
That was really good.
Thank you.
So, like, I mean, you're like really are a woman of like a million talents.
Yeah, I like beats. I like, you know, just like I said, I like creating things. So any kind of ingredients that go into something, whether it's makeup or like food or
music.
Yeah, music, anything.
Sketching, tabla.
I just like putting things together.
I was actually a tabla player, and she actually didn't have. We couldn't find a tabla.
Yeah, I actually picked up on tablas by accident when in Bachpan. Like I really wanted to get a dhol, and I was like 9 years old, and we came to somebody's house in Karachi from the US. And I was after my mom. I'm like, get me a dhol, get me a dhol. I want a dhol. So we went to somebody's house, and they had tablas there. And me being ignorant, not knowing the difference between dhol and tabla, I asked my mom because that lady was moving. So she's like, "Ye main bech rahi hu, agar aapko kuch lena hai." So I'm like, "Mom, you have to get me those tablas." So when I went home and I started playing the tablas, thinking that it was going to be like a dhol, it was nothing like that. It is such a complex instrument.
Very complex.
And it's, you know, one of the few like percussion instruments जहाँ पे आपको मतलब pitch भी आप उससे play कर सकते हैं. Like it's a melodious percussion instrument because there's different notes and the way you tap it. So, you know, again, I took it on as a challenge and I kind of figured it out, but I played in my own way. So yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Acha, before we go, what's next for you? When are we seeing you on the screen again?
Momina. It's just, I feel like I really want to be on the screen, but you guys see what's like, you know, happening with the roles that we're seeing, the characters that we're seeing on like with women and the whole thing about, you know, representing women that it's more about empowering women on television, right? And I'm not seeing that. This whole past 2 years, I've had to say no to like at least 8 to 10 dramas that were good dramas. Lekin, I feel like aside from my own personal kind of commitments of becoming a mother, and that has definitely has impacted my acting career because there's a lot of like time commitment. You know, one project can go on for 6 to 8 months and the kind of hours are very demanding. So wo to ek alag cheez hai. Lekin for something to compel me to get back on screen, it has to be a good role, right? And everything that I've been getting so far is like, you know, like a negative girl who comes from abroad and she ruins somebody's life, or she's like a homewrecker, or like something negative just because of the outlook that somebody, you know, when somebody has this image of you, okay, you know, एक progressive modern outlook की लड़की है, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि where are the roles that are going to empower the people who are watching कि भाई an educated and progressive and modern looking girl doesn't always have to be negative, right? Yeah. Or her struggle in life doesn't always have to be getting a man in her life or taking a man away from somebody else's life or being labeled as somebody who's divorced. Just something negative there's always like a negative connotation attached to somebody like me. I understand that, you know, I may be unique in that sense कि मेरे बात करने का style या, you know, देखने में लोगों को लगता है कि अच्छा इसके पास इस वाले character का wardrobe तो जरूर होगा, तो इसको cast कर लेते हैं. You know what I mean?
कुछ यहाँ पे ये है ना कि अगर आपने अगर नेगेटिव लड़की दिखानी तो उसको जीन्स पहना दो, और आपने और अच्छी लड़की है और घर पे बैठी है तो उसको शलवार कमीज और दुपट्टा पहना दो. तो that's what the outlook is, and I 100% agree with you. And I really do think that there needs to be some better writing from women, and there are a lot of, but I mean that's another completely different story, and I mean we can sit here for hours discussing.
I feel like on a positive note तो कि जो short films बन रही हैं, digital short films जो बन रही हैं, उसके अंदर I feel like there's a lot more room to be creative, and even the audience there is different. But yeah, it's a little you know, disheartening to see कि पाकिस्तान में the excuse के हमारे audience को ये नहीं समझ में आएगा, you know, like underestimating the audience, not empowering them, not inspiring them, कि बस जैसे है ना उनको वैसे ही रखना है, हमें कुछ उनको सिखाना नहीं है, कुछ अच्छी चीजें, कुछ पॉजिटिविटी की चीजें, कि देखें पढ़ी लिखी लड़कियां भी अच्छी हो सकती हैं, you know, और हैं अच्छी. I mean, know so many, you know, that they're so altruistic in nature, you know, they think about others before themselves. So where are those roles? You know, those women do exist. So what are we?
They're more so than anybody else.
Absolutely, because you know their soch is so much more refined, I feel, because they've been through so many kind of life experiences and they've met different kinds of people. They've been exposed to different kinds of, you know, relationships in life where they know exactly, you know, कि किस तरह से किसको treat करना चाहिए. They're more in tune with their emotions. So उस तरह के characters नहीं आ रहे. And film जिसमें हमारे, you know, सब actors की hopes थी कि पाकिस्तान में films आएंगी, they will change something around. फिर वही COVID की वजह से theaters भी बंद हो गए. So, you know, right now, I think it's fine, you know, like I'm okay with not being on screen, but when the time is right, you will be seeing me.
I'm really looking forward to seeing you back on screen, and thank you so much for taking out the time
and
coming on the show.
So much fun.
I know it was a lot of fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed the segment. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Moment as Mixed Plate family, and I'll see you next time. Take care.